I got a bold thing to say. We all deserve an internet free from geo-blocks, phishing sites, ads, and ISP throttling. Well, guess what? The best VPN for Mac can resolve all these issues. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the best VPNs for Mac and show you how their features can improve your online experience. I know some of you are thinking, do I need a VPN for Mac? In fact, a lot of people are searching this out, so that's why I'm even covering this. In general, macOS does have fewer threats targeting it, but that has nothing to do with VPNs. Yes, VPNs are not about the safety of the device, it's about the safety of the user. So VPN encrypts the internet connection, meaning no people are going to know what you do online, which websites you visit, and what traffic passes through you. This lets you bypass lots of geoblocks, filter out phishing sites, and even prevent ISP throttling. And the top three providers that help me with that are NordVPN, Surfshark, and Proton VPN. All three are great in their own way, and to show you which is the best for you, I'm going to cover the main pros of each of them. But if you're primarily looking for a way to get a VPN without much investment, take a look in the description. I got all the best discounts for the best VPN for Mac, options all in one place. Now, coming back to the providers, NordVPN is aimed at people who look not just for strong security, but also for fast performance. Now, security-wise, this is the VPN with the latest encryption technology, a privacy-friendly jurisdiction, RAM-only servers that can't retain user data, it's got a no-logs policy, and regular independent audits. I know it's a lot to go through, but this is precisely what makes NordVPN so secure. Lots of security measures. Shocking, I know. Now, as for performance, that's where all glory goes to NordVPN's proprietary tunneling protocol and massive server infrastructure spanning over 100 countries. That's how NordVPN maintains the fastest speeds on the market. That is also how NordVPN consistently performs the best for streaming and torrenting. Speed and variety of servers really help unlock more libraries, maintain lagless connection, and remain unnoticed by ISPs that like to throttle such activities. Also, NordVPN has been certified as a genuine anti-phishing app thanks to the Threat Protection Pro. Now, this dedicated ad blocker has been designed not only to remove ads from your web pages, but also to detect phishing scams both on web pages and in emails. Unfortunately, for some reason, Apple doesn't endorse that functionality, so you won't find this feature in the NordVPN version from the App Store. To get rid of ads and phishing links, you're going to have to download this VPN for macOS from the provider's website or through the link in the description, where you will also find the best coupon deal already applied. So don't worry if NordVPN sounds overbearing. There's still a VPN for Mac that's known to be great for beginners. Surfshark is a straightforward app that is as easy to use as it is affordable. It's currently one of the cheapest options you can grab that has no device limits. That means you can use it alone or share it with literally all your friends. There's no difference or restrictions. Now, security-wise, Surfshark follows pretty much all the same practices as NordVPN. And in terms of performance, it's only a little bit slower, not slow enough to make a big difference in terms of streaming or torrenting though. Now, Surfshark made splashes among antivirus researchers by releasing the first antivirus built into the VPN app. Usually it's the opposite, and the VPN in AV is most often crappy. In this case, Surfshark antivirus has shown results rivaling top antivirus providers. AV test certification praised it a lot, and that doesn't happen often. Though that antivirus is not the only security feature to consider. Surfshark also has Clean Web 2.0, an ad blocker, much like NordVPN's threat protection, minus the whole anti-phishing certification. Now moving on, what makes much of Proton VPN great is hereditary. The parent company behind it has designed many cybersecurity apps, creating an ecosystem rivaling Google. And with regular security updates, independent audits, and a privacy-friendly jurisdiction, it's actually nothing like Google. Proton VPN is truly a privacy powerhouse with encrypted disk storage, a completely open source app for transparency, and the majority of the company itself is owned by the nonprofit Proton Foundation. They're doing all this for our security, and I can definitely get behind that. Now, performance-wise, Proton VPN has a VPN accelerator feature, which promises a staggering 400% speed boost. In my experience, that still puts this VPN for MacBook a little behind Surfshark in terms of speed. Still, I did manage to get a tremendous streaming experience from it thanks to over 14,000 servers worldwide. record-breaking numbers, and the modern WireGuard tunneling protocol. And amongst Proton VPN's features, Net Shield stands out as a dedicated ad blocker, and Stealth Protocol is awesome for anyone willing to hide their activity from data-hungry brokers or ISPs. So to summarize, if you want a VPN for Mac that's pretty much good at everything, has reliable security, good performance, and effective features, NordVPN is the pick. For those looking for a more beginner-friendly, affordable option that also includes an antivirus, Surfshark is the way to go. Proton VPN is suitable for any user who prefers to prioritize privacy without compromising performance or sacrificing features. So, which one are you going to pick? Let me know in the comments below, and if you haven't made your choice yet, consider checking the exclusive discounts in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay safe online. See you in the next one.